Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Today I'd like to talk to you about feelings of inner emptiness. For plenty of us, we found ourselves in a family and thought things like, what am I doing here? How come nobody's even conscious that I exist and I'm here and I want to connect? What's the deal? Or why was I born into this hellish family? And one of the things we do is make a place within that's kind of an empty place. It can reflect our feeling about being in the family, like this family is so empty. There's just all this chaos, crazy emotions, anger, violence, loneliness, and we just feel a sense of emptiness. So I only found out last week that I had a place of emptiness. It was like this big behind my breastbone that felt like a go-to place for me where nothing bad could happen to me, no one could connect with me and hurt me, and it was just kind of a dull hangout place for me that I was not even aware of, like I said, till a week ago. So I did TAT about that place and all the things that happened so that I created that place within myself. I also noticed as I went along that that place had like a border, and I needed to include that border too. It was like a boundary between my safe place and the rest of my body and the rest of life. So I'm just telling you, in case you have feelings of emptiness, they might just be a general emotional feeling, or you might notice, I have that feeling of emptiness and it's in my stomach, or it's in my heart, or it's in my throat. So you can have regions of emptiness that you want to do TAT about so that they're also full of life, full of energy, full of your presence and your connectedness with life. Okay, hope this helps you. It helped me. There you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.